Hello, everyone. Today we're on a mission, conquering those pesky beetroot stains that seem to find their way onto our favorite clothes. But worry not, because we've got a powerful trio of ingredients to banish those stains. Let's jump right in. Behold, the aftermath of a delightful beetroot encounter. While this veggie adds a burst of color to our dishes, it also leaves behind stubborn stains. We've all been there. But fear not today. We're turning the tide against these vibrant but unwanted hues. Now, let me introduce you to our first ally in this stain-battling journey, salt. It's not just for seasoning, it's a stain-fighting champion. Why? Because salt is both absorbent and abrasive, making it the perfect initial step in our quest. Watch closely as I generously sprinkle a teaspoon of salt onto the affected cloth. Next up in our stain-busting arsenal is baking soda. This household hero is like a silent superhero. Its gentle abrasiveness, combined with its ability to neutralize odors, makes it a powerhouse in stain removal. Watch as I liberally apply a teaspoon of baking soda, ensuring every inch of that stain is covered. And now, the final touch, vinegar. This kitchen essential is not just for salads, it's our secret weapon against stains. Vinegar's acidic nature works wonders in breaking down stubborn marks. I carefully add a teaspoon of vinegar, and you can almost feel the chemistry in action. Now, the magic unfolds. Armed with a trusty brush, I delicately massage the stained area. It's a dance of chemistry and elbow grease. The salt, baking soda, and vinegar collaborate to lift and erase those beetroot stains. It's a therapeutic process for your clothes, and the results? Well, they speak for themselves. Voila! Witness the transformation. No more beetroot stains. A symphony of kitchen ingredients working together to rescue your favorite garments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tips, and share your stain-removing victories in the comments. Until next time, happy cleaning and keep those clothes stain-free.